Spring Residences, it's a ready for occupancy project of SMDC here in SM Bicutan, Parañaque. The good things about Spring Residences, we offer a very flexible payment term for as low as 5% down payment, around 155,000, and may 2 years to pay ka pa na zero interest. Ang monthly is around 10,000 to 11,000 monthly. Yan yung in-offer namin na flexible payment term. Papakita ko sa inyo guys yung vicinity ng Spring Residences and actual deliverable unit.
Live a life that is closer to more that you need, to more that you love, to make more moments that matter. Live a life that is better, where there's more fun with friends and neighbors together. SMDC, the good life. SMDC, the good guys give you. SMDC, good life, a life with so much more here. There is so much more to love. There is so much more to see. There is so much to enjoy. SMDC, the good guys give you so much more to life. Live a life that is closer to more that you need, to more.
Pag once na turnover na din, ito na yung ito yung parking mo daw, yung anti-toilet nila. May provision na rin siya for washing machine.
Yep.
This one.
May toilet na rin.
This toilet, talagyan ng tissue. And ito yung shower area. So, water heater na lang yung dadagdag. Saka yung tissue. Shower and lotion.
Kung mapapansin mo, family suite yung layout niya. Suite A.
Oo, tapos yung ano niya.
Finial.
Bibigod siya.
Yeah.
And ang maganda dito, may sliding door. Pwede parang tubig yung pala ito.
Yan, mas malaki siya. 20, alam ko 28 square to eh.
Yes, 28 square meter. Ayan, meron siyang ventilation dito. And ito, pwede nilang gawin another bedroom. So parang 2 bedroom na rin siya. Tapos meron siyang balcony. So, mas maganda yung layout ng family suite with balcony. Kasi ito yung living room.
Live a life that is closer to more that you need, to more that you love, to make more moments that matter. Live a life that is better, where there's more fun with friends and neighbors together. SMDC, the good life. SMDC, good guys give you. SMDC, the good life, a life with so much more here. There is so much more to love. There is so much more to see. There is so
malaki yung layout ng pwede sa text sa S. Ayan, meron siyang ano dito, butas. Tingnan mo. para sa aircon. Ayan.
May provision siya dito for aircon.
For aircon. Tapos ito yung isa ng bedroom. Ang ganda yung balcony niya, glass yung kalahati. Ito naman is facing dito sa kabilang side.
Oh, facing Bikutan.
Bikutan. Maganda rin yung laminated wall niya dito.
Maganda yung suite B dito, pansin mo.
Oo nga.
Ang luwag tingnan. Actually, ang luwag tingnan ng suite B dito.
Maganda yung suite B. Kasi
Laki.
yung bedroom niya, nandoon yung ay yung pinto. Kasi ito yung pinto. Yung isa kasi dito, both side, yung pinto nila. Magkatabi. Ang kinagandaan lang nun, may window ka sa kabilang side.
Malawak to. Maganda talaga yung layout pag malawak.
Maganda family suite pag malawak.
Live a life that is closer to more.
May lusutan dito papunta sa mall, sa Tower 1. Tara, puntahan natin.
Tara. Thank you.
Nakabili mo ID?
Wala. So, ito yung pupuntahan natin ngayon. Is lusutan siya papunta sa mall from Tower 1, no? Sige. Anong mall nga ulit yung katapat nito? Yun. Sige, check natin, guys. Ano, tingnan niya naman, guys, yung swimming pool. Ang ganda ng pool dito. Ang ganda ng amenity, guys. Panalo, panalo.
Highway lang siya, hindi mo na kailangan pumasok papuntang Doña Solidan. Along highway lang talaga siya, guys, dito sa SM Bikutan. Along the road, very accessible. Guys, ito yung Tower 1 and that is the Tower 2, yung kaninang pinuntahan natin. Tower 2. You know? Tower 2.
Ayan, yan. Yan nasa gitna, guys. Okay. Left side, Tower 3.
So we have 3 tower here in Spring Residences. Ito yung
Function room ata to, kung hindi ako nagkakamali.
ito yung ano nila, office, admin office nila. Pag may mga concern kayo sa rentals and leasing, ito yung admin. Very convenient. Ito naman yung lobby ng Tower 1.
Live a life that is closer to more that you need, to more that you love, to make more moments that matter. Live a life that is better, where there's more fun with friends and neighbors together.
So ito, guys.
The good life, MDC. The good guys give you this.
Ang luwang ng ano niya, no?
Elevator.
Live a life that is closer to more that you need, to more.
A few steps lang, makakarating ka na sa SM Bikutan.
It's better where there's more fun with friends and neighbors together. SMDC, the good life. SMDC, good guys give you SMDC, the good life. A life with so much more here. There is so much more to love.
Ayan. So guys, ito na.
May mga sakayan dito ng transport ng mga tricycle at saka may mga UP dito. Ayan yung SM Bikutan. Tatawid ka lang. Ano ito nga ng road nga ito?
Skyway yan, Skyway.
Going to Skyway.
Sobrang easy access. Ito guys, Skyway to. Going to Laguna or going to Makati. Oo.
So ngayon nga guys, punta na kami sa mall.
Diba, tawid lang siya. Ano, kain muna tayo?
Tara, kain muna tayo.
Oh, okay.
So ayan nga guys, nandito na tayo sa loob ng SM Bikutan. At ito kakain na kami, nagutom kami sa pagbablog guys. So yun nga, very convenient kung nakatira ka sa Spring Residences, pag nagugutom ka at tinatamad ka magluto, lalakarin mo lang guys sa mga restaurants. Dito kasi kompleto na eh. And meron din tayong mga bangko dito like BDO. So very convenient in your part. Meron din hypermarket. So lahat nandito na guys sa SM Bikutan. Very convenient. Kaya maganda guys, try nyo rin mag-invest sa Spring Residences kasi hindi siya mawawala ng tenants. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. Don't hesitate to contact me if you have question about Spring Residences. I can send you the computation and presentation. Just comment down below. Thanks for watching.